So as I talked about just a few minutes ago, having different models really is going to help you understand exactly how you want your organization to function. So most organizations currently have been in kind of this remote hybrid mode, where there's a central location where most of all the business gets done. And I would dare say that for a chunk of the organizations we've interacted with, they still have 4 or 5 individuals going into that central location and doing core functionality in order for the organization to work. And then everybody's kind of remote doing what they can as they can. And then you've got kind of a decentralized organization where you've got multiple central locations where processing work can be achieved. Frankly, up until recently, our organization was very similarly built like that, where Houston was a core hub and function, and a lot of logistics and accounting and finance systems came in and out of there. But then we also have a San Antonio branch where a lot of the same logistics and decision-making were also located. So although we were all working towards the same end, there was a decentralized leadership system that you'll often see in like franchise models or systems with highly mature branch office systems. And then there's fully distributed, which means everybody makes decisions across the board. Now, obviously there's a leadership hierarchy, but it doesn't require you to have a central location in order for you to achieve your work. Work can be done basically anywhere at any time. And there are certain limitations to what companies can do to fully realize a distributed work model. Like if you've got logistical concerns, there's a shipping and receiving, if you have to build systems, manufacture things, those are areas where it could get a little tricky to not have some sort of decentralized system. But these are areas that you want to consider as you're looking at how you're going to be building your workforce and what you want it to look like. And really, it's important to remember that a distributed workforce is what reaches beyond the restrictions of a traditional office, right? And keep that in mind, because it's not just the physical aspect of being in the office. It's the processes and systems you use as you interact with people physically that are going to need to fundamentally change.